Hey everyone, we will cover the impact of coronavirus and fear that pushing people to set aside their plans to become entrepreneurs. These are tough times, and we have never seen such a chaotic environment like this. These are truly unprecedented times. Coming up. If you are new to this channel, we provide direction on how to become an entrepreneur based on sound strategies and tactics. Large portion of our world is currently going through a quarantine, and some places are in complete isolation. Markets are falling all around us, but it's the right time to rise above the pack, and I'll provide some insights into how to overcome and make it work for you. But first, here are some of the businesses hit hard by the pandemic. Number one is airlines and travel agencies. These industries are probably in the worst situation than any other industry. They are struggling to deal with cancellations and with the very low booking rate. Cruise industry may not be able to recoup their losses ever, since they would be busy with litigations with no cash inflow. Hotel industry and Airbnb are between rock and a hard place. Loss of income is having crippling effect on these businesses. Concerts and festival events are being canceled from prevention point of view. All indirect freelancers and vendors are feeling the heat. It will take a long time for people to go and watch their favorite bands out in the open with thousands of other people at the same time. Same goes to travel and hospitality. These industries have taken a nosedive since these businesses are connected and supported by music concerts and sport events. What about malls and high streets? Hardest hit by social distancing is your local mall, strip malls, and fancy high street fashionable trendy shops used to sell products face to face. I'm referring to brick and mortar traditional stores. Well, it's not all bad. Main beneficiaries of this unfortunate situation are e-commerce platforms like Amazon, right? They are hiring more workforce, but this will be another session, probably another book, to assess their viability in the long term. Let's continue with our original thought. Restaurants and bars are no different, crushed by this pandemic. It's becoming more like a ghost town. Traditional beauty shops, hair salons, spas, and any other related beauty industry suffered a massive blow since it's not a necessity. Most people are trying to save money. Gyms and fitness clubs are getting crushed too. Even wedding and funeral services are going through rough times. Theaters and art galleries are completely shut down. Before we take a deeper dive into more explicit tactics, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you can get notifications as soon as I put more content. When you subscribe to my channel, you will gain insights into why success depends on our ability to build and inspire so you can take action towards achieving your goals by getting best-in-class content and training experiences. Now, let's get back into specifics. The key question we need to address here is, what can we do to overcome some of the issues mentioned earlier, right? Now, from a small business ownership perspective, my recommendations would be to push hard when everyone else is trying to be conservative. Some of the examples would be Amazon FBA niche to bring medical supplies, and masks would be in a pretty good shape for foreseeable future. Now, you know for a fact that cleaning service industry is going to thrive. If you can get a franchise and make it exceptionally hygiene service, it would help you establish your brand. If you have a limited capital, go for digital branding. Become content creator and explore consulting services. Be a freelancer. Optimize your profile and share it on job boards. Join platforms like Udemy and Coursera to learn new technical skills and, more importantly, soft skills. Telehealth might be one of the key technology platforms to provide needed services remotely. No matter what you do, commit and take action. Great ideas will not make you successful unless you move out of your comfort zone to execute diligently. Check out my book on Amazon, impending recession, how to escape 9 to 5 rat race to follow your dreams. I have provided step-by-step process to build income streams in this tech-driven age, especially when economic downturn is inevitable. Down below in comment section, share your thoughts on some of the businesses you think can do better in recession stage. Thank you for listening in, and I'll see you tomorrow with more quality contents. Thank you.